Do you want to avoid the common mistakes that many foreigners make when dating a Vietnamese girl? In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 mistakes that you should avoid when dating a Vietnamese girl. But trust me, if you avoid these mistakes, you will have a much better chance of winning the heart of a Vietnamese girl. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because the last mistake is the most important one. Mistake number 1, not respecting cultural norms about physical affection. This is a big mistake that many foreigners make when dating a Vietnamese girl. They think that they can be as affectionate and romantic as they want in public, just like in the West. But this is not true at all. Vietnamese culture values conservatism, especially in public. Unlike the West, public displays of affection can make a Vietnamese partner uncomfortable. They might feel embarrassed, shy, or even offended by your actions. So don't be too touchy or kissy in public. Don't hug her or hold her hand without her consent. Don't make her feel pressured or awkward by your gestures. Respect her culture and her boundaries. Save your intimacy for private moments. Mistake number 2, not paying for the date. Another mistake that many foreigners make when dating a Vietnamese girl is not paying for the date. They think that they can split the bill or let her pay, just like in some Western countries. In Vietnamese dating, the man is typically responsible for all expenses. While this might seem old-fashioned, it's a cultural norm. So don't be stingy or cheap when dating a Vietnamese girl. Pay for the date and show her that you are a gentleman and a provider. Mistake number 3, being too aggressive or too passive. Another mistake that many foreigners make when dating a Vietnamese girl is being too aggressive or too passive. They either try to rush things or wait for things to happen. But neither of these approaches works well with Vietnamese girls. Vietnamese girls are not used to being pursued or pressured by men. They are also not used to making the first move or taking the initiative. So what should you do? You should find a balance between being aggressive and passive. You should be confident and assertive, but also respectful and patient. You should show your interest and intention, but also give her space and time. Mistake number 4, not paying attention to her family and friends. Another mistake that many foreigners make when dating a Vietnamese girl is not paying attention to her family and friends. They think that they only need to focus on her and impress her. But this is a big mistake. Family and friends are very important in Vietnamese culture. They have a strong influence on her decisions and opinions. They can also be your allies or enemies in your relationship. So don't ignore or neglect her family and friends. Try to get to know them and build rapport with them. Show them that you are serious about her and that you respect her culture. It might just be the key to getting her into bed. Mistake number 5, not being honest and faithful. Another mistake that many foreigners make when dating a Vietnamese girl is not being honest and faithful. They think that they can lie or cheat on her without consequences. But this is a huge mistake. Vietnamese girls are very loyal and devoted to their partners. They expect the same from their partners. So don't lie or cheat on her. Mistake number 6, not demonstrating financial stability. Another mistake that many foreigners make when dating a Vietnamese girl is not demonstrating financial stability. They think that they don't need to worry about money or show their income. But this is a big mistake. Vietnamese families may test a boyfriend's financial stability by insisting on paying bills. Politely refusing and asserting financial responsibility gains respect. It's a common practice to gauge a partner's capability. Demonstrating stability is crucial in Vietnamese culture. So don't be careless or irresponsible with money. Don't let her family pay for everything or take advantage of them. Show them that you are financially stable and independent. Show them that you can take care of her and her future. Mistake number 7, not communicating clearly about expectations. The last and the most important mistake that many foreigners make when dating a Vietnamese girl is not communicating clearly about expectations. They think that they can assume or guess what she wants or needs. But this is the worst mistake. Contrary to misconceptions, assuming Vietnamese girls are easygoing about intimacy can offend. Advocating for a natural progression in the relationship fosters happiness. Clear communication about expectations is vital to avoid misunderstandings and ensure a healthy relationship. So don't be vague or ambiguous with her. Don't assume or guess what she wants or needs. Respect will eventually lead you to her bed. That's it, guys. These are the 7 mistakes that you should avoid when dating a Vietnamese girl. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.